Welcome back to Moody's Feelings Toolbox. Are you ready to learn about mindfulness? Let's go. Sometimes big feelings can build up inside our bodies, like a balloon filling with air. When that happens, we can start to feel tight, hot, or ready to burst. But there's something we can do to help our bodies calm down again. It's called belly breathing. Let's try it together. Put your hands right here on your belly. Now take a slow breath in through your nose. Feel your belly rise like a balloon. And slowly breathe out through your mouth, like you're blowing bubbles. Let's do that 2 more times. In and out. In and out. You might notice your shoulders drop or your body feels softer. That's your brain getting the message. I'm safe, I can calm down. When you feel big feelings bubbling up, remember, your breath is your superpower. Next time, we'll learn how to notice our feelings before they get too big. See you soon.